If you've been looking for a way to speed up your Mac workflow in 2025, Alfred 5 might be the tool that finally makes your setup feel effortless. Alfred has always been known as a powerful Spotlight alternative, but version 5 pushes things even further with faster search, deeper automation, smarter workflows, and a clean interface that keeps everything feeling lightweight. With just a quick keyboard shortcut, you can launch apps, search files, control system settings, manage clipboard history, run snippets, and trigger advanced automations without ever lifting your hands off the keyboard. The real magic comes from workflows, custom chains of actions that let you automate almost anything, from renaming batches of files to interacting with APIs or controlling third-party apps. On the positive side, Alfred 5 is incredibly fast, stable, and customizable, making it ideal for power users. The downside is that beginners may feel overwhelmed at first, and certain features require upgrading to the Powerpack. My final verdict: Alfred 5 is absolutely a Mac productivity game changer, especially if you want speed, automation, and comfort. For more tech reviews that save you time, don't forget to subscribe.